Welcome to Germany, Hammad Travels and Tourism. Did you know Germany's tourism industry contributes approximately 4.5% to the national GDP, attracting over 39 million international tourists each year? That's right. This robust industry plays a significant role in the country's economic fabric. Moreover, Germany proudly stands as the 8th most visited country globally. From majestic castles to vibrant cities, and rich history to cutting-edge innovation, Germany offers an alluring mix that captivates millions. With such impressive statistics, it's no wonder Germany is a must-visit destination on every travel enthusiast's bucket list. Now dive into the heart of Germany and discover some of the most popular tourist spots. Our first stop is the historic city of Berlin, a city that wears its rich history and culture on its sleeve. As Germany's capital and largest city, Berlin is a vibrant metropolis, brimming with iconic landmarks that bear witness to its layered past. One such landmark is the Berlin Wall, or what's left of it. Once a symbol of division, today, it stands as a testament to resilience and unity. The East Side Gallery, a stretch of the wall adorned with murals, is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. Next up, we have the Brandenburg Gate. This neoclassical monument is more than just a beautiful structure. It's a symbol of European unity and peace. As you walk through the gate, you can almost hear the echoes of history reverberating through its majestic columns. Now, let's journey south to Munich, a city that celebrates tradition and innovation in equal measure. Munich is world-renowned for its annual Oktoberfest, a 16 to 18-day folk festival where millions of people from around the world come together to enjoy music, traditional foods, and of course Bavarian beer. But it's not all about Oktoberfest. The city's beer halls, including the famous Hofbrauhaus, offer a year-round taste of Munich's vibrant beer culture. While in Munich, a visit to the Dachau concentration camp memorial site is a solemn and poignant experience. As the first of the Nazi concentration camps opened in Germany, it serves as a stark reminder of the horrors of World War II. Yet, amidst the somber history, the memorial site also stands as a tribute to resilience, survival, and the enduring human spirit. From historic landmarks to vibrant festivals, these cities offer a blend of history, culture, and modernity that is quintessentially German. Whether you're a history buff, a culture vulture, or a food and drink enthusiast, Germany's popular tourist spots have something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Germany. But Germany's allure doesn't stop at its cities. The country's natural beauty is equally captivating. Let's journey to the Black Forest, a vast expanse of hills, valleys, rivers, and forests in Germany's southwestern corner. Known for its dark, dense, evergreen forests and picturesque villages, the Black Forest is a haven for those seeking tranquility away from the hustle and bustle. But it's not just the scenic beauty that draws tourists. The area is also world-renowned for its handcrafted cuckoo clocks. These intricately designed timepieces have been a tradition here for centuries, making the Black Forest the heartbeat of German craftsmanship. Next, we set sail on the romantic Rhine, Germany's most famous river. Stretching over 500 miles, the Rhine is dotted with vineyards, medieval castles, and quaint towns. It's a journey that takes you through the heart of European history and culture. Whether you're a wine enthusiast, a history buff, or someone who simply appreciates stunning landscapes, the romantic Rhine has something for everyone. Our last stop is the Neuschwanstein Castle, a fairy tale-like fortress perched high on a rugged hill in Bavaria. With its turrets and frescoes, Neuschwanstein seems plucked straight out of a storybook. In fact, this 19th century Romanesque revival castle was the inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. These enchanting locations offer a glimpse into Germany's picturesque landscapes and fairy tale charm. From bustling cities to tranquil landscapes, Germany offers a diverse array of experiences for every traveler. We've journeyed through the vibrant streets of Berlin, marveled at Munich's architectural grandeur, and reveled in the serenity of the Black Forest. We've also sailed down the romantic Rhine, taking in its picturesque vineyards and age-old castles. And who could forget the enchanting Neuschwanstein Castle, a real-life fairy tale waiting to be explored. Tourism is truly the lifeblood of this nation, fueling its economy and fostering cultural exchange. Germany's tourism industry is a testament to the country's rich history, diverse culture, and breathtaking landscapes. It's a melting pot of experiences, offering something for everyone, from city slickers to nature enthusiasts and history buffs. So, if you're looking for a destination that combines history, culture, and natural beauty, Germany should be at the top of your list. Pack your bags and embark on your German adventure today.